Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath with our first challenge for Cospaces. So you can click in Environment and you're going to choose, if you click Edit, you can pick which environment you want for your virtual reality. So you'll pick that first. Second thing you're going to do is inside of Library, you're going to do some building and make your walls. I went with glass walls. And then you're going to use the upload feature, and I want you to get 3 items inside your walls, and you'll see I did 3 for mine. I went with an animated banner for my artifacts. I went with my meme as another one. And then if I can swing this thing around, it is a little touchy. And you can see over here I have put my dream board on one of the walls, and then you had already seen I have the meme on there. So it's up to you. Your challenge is to make 3 walls within an environment and then bring in 3 images of your liking. So you can go ahead and try for challenge number 1. Good luck!